Hey guys, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have a mini environment I'd like to show you, and it is the Tower of the Barad-dûr. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I am so excited because I really wanted to get this one for a long time, and I finally got it. So let's open it up. These are so cool, these mini environments. So cool. Love these little guys. Whoop. Come on. Bear with me here. There we go. One second, guys. They taped her up good here. I think that might have been customs. There we go. Nice. Oh, beauty, 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 beauty. I'll show you the artwork, art box first, and then we'll get up out of there. So you can see there. Oh, that looks so cool. I don't know if this one does or not. No, I thought it might have had the flap for just like all the other artwork or art boxes, I mean, but it doesn't. But you can see there. So cool. Really cool. Oh yeah, I love the art on the back. So cool. Okay, let's open it up. I'm so totally excited about this one. Top over there. And many of you know the Tower of Barad-dûr is the tower where Sauron resides in. You hear gurgling, it's my stomach, I don't know why. Okay. Nice. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, this is looking cool. This is so cool. Ooh, nice. Love this. And the sculptor is Bawal Sajai. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Bawal. This is really cool. Loving it. And then in the inside, I'll show you some close-ups. There's like all the magma on the bottom. And then just pop this out because this is the eye of Sauron. I don't know how it's gonna, I wonder if it just clips in there. I will find out. Okay. There's a top and there's a bottom. Okay. See here. Oh, that's easy. So you just plopper right into place. That is so cool. That is really cool, guys. I wish they had a light up of this with the eye lit up like that. That would be so cool if they had done that. But I know minis, like, I mean, probably be kind of hard to do that. This is so cool, guys. I can't wait to show you some close-ups of this. This is such a cool piece. I'm so glad I got this one. Awesome. Loving this. So, yeah, let's show you some close-ups of this now. This is so cool, guys. I will show you from the top down. So you can see on each side, it just sets in there right on top. And then look at all the details of Barad-dûr. This is so cool. All the tier, like all the levels that they has. And like, look at the lava on there. That's pretty darn cool too. Then all the rock work. And all the sculpt of this. That's cool. That is really, really cool. This is awesome piece. And then all the back is all stone. And the tower all the way up. Like, look at that eye. That is so cool. Love it. But all just the detail of all the levels of Barad-dûr. The rock work is cool. Really phenomenal work that these guys did on this. Going a little closer so you can see here what I mean. All the towers and all the crevices, all the levels on this, so darn cool. And there's the eye of Sauron. Very cool piece, loving this. Look at all the magma there. So this is the mini Tower of Barad-dûr. Such a cool piece. Like I said, I'm so happy I got this piece in my collection. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of the Tower of Barad-dûr mini environment. Comment down below what you guys thought, and like and subscribe. Have a great day, and see you guys in an upcoming video.